What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video on the Render token or RNDR. Wanted to make a quick video on that because I actually have quite a lot to talk about with Render. So that's what I wanted to do. There is quite a lot to talk about as well. Yesterday we got some bullish momentum from the level we talked about in videos last week. Last week I said I was considering buying from $2 and 2.05, and with good risk management you actually could have made some money on that. As you can see, we spiked up from that level. But after that, we actually got more bearish momentum over the course of yesterday afternoon, which is pretty rare because most cryptos did not get that. So that's already interesting to talk about. And just in general, Render right now is actually looking pretty weak. We broke down below a significant trend line. So we're heading up towards that level again. That's going to be a significant level, what we'll do there. So we'll talk about that. But just in general, I'll try to give you as much of a thorough overview as possible. So let's dive right into it. Before we dive into Render though, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. But now into Render. We also post signals on Render, by the way, sometimes, but right now it's a bit unpredictable. If you take a look at Render right now, the volume is still pretty high at around 150 million. That's obviously also because of the selling pressure yesterday. But the thing which I think is very interesting with Render, and why I also wanted to make a video on that, is because this bearish momentum was kind of expected, right? With the whole Apple event ending, which was causing quite a lot of, or at least a little bit of bullish momentum for Render. And then apart from that, we were also getting some sort of bearish confirmations down here. We were making some lower highs, and we were getting some bearish breakouts, and altogether the trend was ending. You could have seen that by the ADX, which went below 20, so the uptrend was over. So right now you still have that Render. If you take a look at it historically, sometimes it just falls down a lot, as you can see here as well. So now the big question is will we actually continue that fall now that the market is also getting more bearish? Or can we actually recover from this? Because I do expect some bullish momentum from the markets. For Render, after this massive bearish breakout, technically, I'm expecting that will drop down to this level at least around 1.75, and then afterwards probably all the way down to 1.65. That's what I would expect based on only the technicals. Now, it's difficult because I expect some bullish momentum from Bitcoin, but that's also one of the main reasons why I wanted to make this video, because I think it's all going to depend on how we react to this level right here at around $2. So that level is between $2.03 and 1.99 cents or $1.99. I think I think we'll get up there, and then this is going to be our test. If we can break above this, fine, we can actually get some bullish momentum on the short term, get up to 2.2, and from there we'll see again whether it's going to just be a consolidation, which is more likely, or whether we can actually get an uptrend again. It's probably going to be a consolidation, but something like this would need to happen in the next 24 hours. The next 24 hours, so that's Sunday to Monday, is usually quite volatile, and those are the times in which something like this can happen. But if we cannot do that, and if we get up to that level and we just find resistance there, I don't think there's enough bullish momentum to prevent us from dropping down to 1.75, and after that probably down to 1.65. So that level around $2 is our main test. I will keep you updated on that if you're interested in that, but for now, I think I said everything I needed to say about it. So that's my take, that's my full analysis on Render. I would say, I don't have a most likely scenario, to be honest. It depends on what Bitcoin does quite a bit, and it just depends on what Render does at $2. So trade and invest accordingly. Do your own analysis as well, but this is my analysis. So thank you for watching, take care, and bye.